Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing a Sephora and Ulta haul. So if you want to see what I got, then just keep watching. Okay, so I placed a couple of orders, one at Sephora and one at Ulta. So let me show you what I got. At Sephora, I only bought two things. I bought this little travel size, sample size of the Briogeo, however you say it. Be Gentle, Be Kind, Matcha and Apple Superfood Shampoo and Conditioner. So I've been wanting to try this, but I didn't want to buy the big one in case I didn't like it. So I did buy this mini, which was, I think it was $10. Oh, seriously? So this mini was $18. Wow. Did not notice that. I thought it was $10. So these are tiny. I know they're travel and they're sample, but for some reason in my head it was gonna be a little bigger. I'm so pissed. I'm already like halfway through it because my fiance decided he wanted to use them. We won't talk about it. I'm really irritated about it. So I've only tried these once. So far so good, but I don't feel like you can tell after one use. Why did I just put these back in the box? I put them in the box for the video, but now we can throw this away. Okay, the only other thing I got was the Natasha Denona Chroma Crystal Liquid Eyeshadow, and I got mine in the shade Zone. So this is what it looks like. It's also little looking. And then when I first grabbed this, there was nothing on this. I even stuck it back in and nothing came out again. I'm assuming that's because when they store them at Sephora, they store them sideways, and so it didn't have any product. So I've just been trying to keep it like this. So, but this is what the color looks like. It's really pretty. I haven't used it yet, but I will. And then I just got a bunch of samples. So I got a baby Tatcha water cream sample that I forgot to bring over here. I got a sample for my fiance. It's like some beard lotion. And then I got a sample of the Charlotte Tilbury's Magic Cream. It's so tiny, there's no way I would notice, but that's that. Okay, let's move to Ulta, who also didn't put their prices. Okay. Oh, I forgot to mention how much this was. The Natasha Denona Liquid Eyeshadow is $25. Now to Ulta. So first thing I bought was the Anastasia Beverly Hills Luminous Foundation. This was $38. I've actually already filmed a review and it's already up. So if you want to see that, I'll link it up here. Yeah, I won't say anything because just watch the review. Then I bought two Morphe lipsticks. These were new and they were $9 each. So I got Kissy Face and Bare All. Let me swatch those for you. I just love the packaging. I will tell you though, very, very cheap. Granted, it's only $9 though. So let me swatch. What one was this? So this one is Kissy Face. And let's swatch the other one. Woo! That one's more opaque. So then this one is Bare All. So Bare All is more the cool toned and Kissy Face is more of a warm tone. I tried it once. I've only worn it once on my lip, and I will tell you it feels very dry so far when I've tried it the one time. Just applying it felt really dry. So I'm going to keep trying these, but I've only tried it once, so can't really give me my full opinion yet. Okay, what else? Yes, I bought two eyeliners. These are, they're on sale for $3.37, but it looks like originally $4.49. So these are LA Girl eyeliners. And I got them because I need some more colorful ones, but I didn't really want to spend a lot of money. So this one is in the shade, this is Eye Fresh, and this is Ice Screamin'. And so we just have a teal and a yellow. I have not tried them yet. They're still in the stupid packaging. I hate the stupid plastic. Anyways, moving on. Next I got a sample size of the Better Than Sex Waterproof Mascara. This is $13. And mascara is just another thing that I have a hard time justifying spending 20 some dollars with. So I did buy a sample. Also, I don't really like waterproof mascara, so I don't really wear it that often. However, my wedding is coming up. Weddings equal, why can't I say that? Weddings equal crying, so I got the waterproof one, and it's also travel size. That way it's easier to take with me because it is a destination wedding. And, oh, dang it. Alright, last thing I bought is this bad boy. So this is the Pure and Barbie Endless Possibilities palette. And this one is $34. Let me open it up. This is what it looks like. It kind of just looks like a little clutch. This stinks so bad. Oh, I'm assuming it's the adhesive that's sticking this to it. Oh, but it reeks. However, when you open it up, this is what it looks like inside. And it smells good inside. It smells almost, I don't know, it's like either chocolate or coconut. That's a very big difference, but I almost want to say it smells like coconut lotion. Yeah, that's what I'm going with, more than chocolate. So that's what it looks like. I will be filming a review on this. I just haven't done it yet because I'm lazy. So yeah, that is all I got from Sephora and Ulta. Not that much, but let me just add it up out of curiosity. $160. I feel like that doesn't get you very much. That's the thing that sucks about makeup, is a lot of stuff is more expensive and it doesn't get you very far when you spend money. But anyways, yeah, that is all I have for this video, so thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.